Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and if you own a Android device, you will be happy to know that there's an improvement in the Google Play Store. So on Android devices, what happens is that for a long time, when you went to look at app updates, you'd get one update at a time. So if you had 20 apps and wanted to update, they would all go into a queue and wait for their turn to be updated. Well, a recent change made that two apps, but then they reverted back to one app for some reason. Now, some have noticed that it actually was doing three apps at the same time. And I looked at my Galaxy S22 phone, and yes, I was checking for updates, and you could see that three apps were updating at once before moving on. So I checked twice. I had 4 updates first, then it added other updates that were showing up, and it updates at 3 apps at a time now, which makes the install and the updates faster, actually. So this is good news for any Android user out there, whether it's a phone or a tablet. So I would guess that we need to have probably a recent Android phone and also a not too old Android version to have this happen, but it's nice to see that 3 apps at a time now will be the update for Android Google Play Store. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.